Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the Swift code of Meezan Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code of Meezan Bank, the first method that you can use is check your bank statement. To do it, simply open up your bank account statement, PDF or printed, and the Swift code is often printed on the top or bottom of your statement. The next method that you can use is check your checkbook. Some Meezan Bank checkbooks include the Swift or BIC code on the information page at the front. You can check right there as well, or you can just simply head over and open up the Meezan Bank on your browser. Then once inside, scroll all the way down and there you'll find the phone number you can contact Meezan Bank and then ask what is the Swift code for the specific branch. Then next method that you can use is simply on your search bar, simply type in Meezan Bank Swift code and the Swift code will generally be displayed right in your screen, which is Meezan PKKA, which is used for international transfers to the head office in Karachi. However, specific branches might have extended codes, for example Meezan PKK EXP for an export branch. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.